Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana Laffy Taffy slime. Add half a cup of glue. I'm using clear glue, but you can use white. Then add 1/4 cup of hot water. Then add about 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add a little bit of contact lens solution slowly. Then keep adding contact lens solution until the slime stops sticking to the bowl. Put some contact lens solution on the surface of the slime, and then you can start poking it. Then you're going to put some Model Magic into a bowl. Then you're going to pour hot water on top of it, and you're going to knead the Model Magic and the water together until the Model Magic gets sticky and tacky. When you're done kneading the Model Magic and water together, you can add the Model Magic to the slime. Then you can add in yellow food coloring or yellow paint. And you're done. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye!